Hello beautifuls, how are you today? Today I have this another skin polisher with me, and I wanted to share with you guys that how good is this. And this is from a Bala Derma company, and it is manufactured, and you can literally check it out in the Baba Google. And okay, it is by a Derma company. Okay, I know that all the products will claim that they will do wonders on your skin, world's wonder on your skin, so you just can't read it and believe that. So I wanted to do a review that this bleach does work, and it does give you a salon finish polisher. So rest of the बातें मैं आपको साथ साथ बताती हूँ. So let's start the video. Okay guys, the instruction on the pack says that you have to mix it with 1 part of powder and 2 part of the liquid cream, and so I'm mixing that according to the instructions been written on the pack, and it does say that it is a 3D formula and it will give you a cooling sensation. Well, this is the only exciting part, and I was kept saying over and over that I love the fact that it gives you a cooling sensation and not burning your skin. You know, all the products have let's just put it on first. Okay, all the products in the world, okay, before putting it on, I forgot to mention you, can you see the difference between my face and my neck? I mean, seriously, I am in desperate need of doing this, because I mean, seriously, I've been so tan that my neck doesn't match my face. So I need a bleach, and I saw this in the market, and the seller was so convinced to use this, and I thought, why not I give it a try and let you know guys that this particular आपको सनब्लॉक की जरूरत सर्दियों में भी पड़ती है, and I am guilty of not using it, especially in the winters. So bleach and skin polish, no irritates, no rashes, cool sensation. Well, I'm definitely having a cool sensation, and good for 3 application. This can be used for 3 times, and you can use on your face, neck and arms. And of Sesso cool bleach, you will not feel any irritation and burning on your body. You will feel coolness. So that's right, the thing really excited me, and wanted to share with you guys that this is as good as Cune bleach. I'm gonna come back after the results, so stay tuned. I promise you guys, I did not use anything on my skin, and my skin is I have a bare skin, and I don't have anything on my skin. My skin is totally bare, and there's no foundation and no nothing, and seriously, I feel so good about my skin. And it does say that it will not rash, not irritate, and not sensitive, and I was kind of scared of doing that, because I always use these 2 products with my bleach, and but the normal bleach does not irritate with these 2 products, and I does use sometime Vaseline if I am scared that it will irritate my sensitive areas. So I do not use it, and I can guarantee you guys that this is an excellent product. You can definitely check it out, and so that's my final verdict. This bleach does work, and it does give you a salon finish polisher. So